everyone, welcome back to my channel. Starting this video with a very bad condition of my table, but right now I'm stitching my mama's kurtis. Anyways, this video is hopefully gonna be a coding vlog because I'm planning to do a lot of coding this week, so let's see how it goes. But for now, let's continue with stitching. Bye.
The next day.
After completing a regular day in life, I came back home and I did my regular chores, and then it was time to study. You see, we learn a lot of things from morning till evening at school and colleges. We attend to different classes, we talk to different people, we enjoy a lot of moments, and there are a lot of things which we do at schools and colleges. Let me tell you something, recollecting and revisioning what we have done today, what all things which we learned today is really important. This has helped me a lot. Questioning ourselves can really help us to do better things. Talking about studies, after coming home, if we just revise today's topics just for a little bit of time, it's enough to just store them in our mind. So I'll always put this motto of revising the day's topic on that day itself in my mind, but I often end up not revising. But I just want to tell that let's all take some time and revise the topics which are taught on that day. A small step each day can make enormous changes within a few days itself. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just practicing the Java code which I learned today. And believe me, I was so happy after doing this. You see, when you study with interest, you'll feel so happy and you'll feel like chalo kuch to seekha aaj maine. So I'm telling you, think about it and start studying. There's a huge competition outside, so let's be equally competitive and study for ourselves and for our nation. Okay, enough of motivation for this video.
A few moments later.
Hello everyone, this is Sumaira Anjum. So I'm in my sister's time-lapse video. Hello, hi. So I have NS exam tomorrow and I obviously need to study for that. So I had some doubts in one of my chapters, so I went through YouTube and I have cleared my doubts. And do you know one thing? My sister doesn't know that I'm in a time-lapse video. Yeah, she doesn't know, and hopefully she keeps this video in her YouTube video because I need to get famous, you know. Yeah, hello, hi. Okay, and if you want to see me in upcoming videos, then spam the comments. I know Sumaira Anjum's fans are a lot here. Thank you everyone. So like, share and subscribe. That's all I can say. Bye.
So it was time to make some notes. So I was writing some Java notes, and later I have to execute all these programs and check whether they are working, and I should also understand the backstory of these programs. How this has been executed, how classes, objects, different packages and everything work. And when I finished writing, I again noticed that my table has become dirty. I have to set it up, so I just started doing that work.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
After completing half of the diploma journey, we've come to know about different coding languages and what basically coding is. We have done different lab sessions, we have executed different programs, we got many errors, we rectified them, and we've gone through a long journey. And why this coding is important is because by learning coding, we learn how to think. Coding is all about writing solutions for different problems. So while solving different problems, we create new ideas and we think out of the box key. What if this line is not written in our code? What if this keyword is missed in our code? How does this keyword work? Like, all these thoughts come into our mind and we improve our thinking and problem solving skills. As a part of Snkranthi celebrations, Rangoli competition and Pongal making competition were conducted in our college, but me and my friends went to watch them as audience.
A few moments later.
माझा पिको खुश राहा माझा प्लीज स्पॉन्सर
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, la-la-la. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, la-la-la.
Basically doing is I'm watching some YouTube video lectures of different topics of Java, and based on each topic I'm doing different example programs. I'm typing the program, executing them in command prompt and writing the outputs, noting down the outputs. सीधा दिखता नहीं है रिंग focusing on the camera. Whoa, Sarah gave me bubbly. It's 5:30 in the evening and the weather outside is good, and now it's time to study Java. Let's go. And here comes the last study session for this video. That was it for this one. I hope you all liked it. You see, making these videos takes up a ton of time, effort and energy, and subscribing in just 2 seconds would make up my whole day. So please do consider subscribing. I'll be uploading videos. I'll try to be consistent, and if not, I'll definitely be uploading short videos. So be updated there. Click on the bell icon to be notified. After studying for a while, I was a bit hungry, so I went and made snacks for myself. And that comes to the end of this video. See you all in the next one. Until then, take care and bye-bye. It's snack time.